Hindi ko namatay si nanay eh. Bigyan nyo ang jacket si nanay. Yung mga lala. Pabibigyan ko kaya. Yung mga lala. Dali. Tama na. I just have to give jackets. Okay, for lala. Lala, para po sa inyo. Ito. Si Lola. Small. Wala ba kayong large? Large. Bigyan ko lang. Si Lola, paano? Lola. Bibigyan ko po kayo. Large. Dali. Lolo. Nanay. May pambata. May bata yan eh. O, yan. Ilan kayong bata? O, isa. Dalawa. Tatlo. Okay? You know, these are less fortunate people. You know, they just come here. You know, it's a hope. It's a hope. This show is to give happiness to these poor people. And they're the one who's, you know, they're all the superstars here. They perform, they play the games. This is called Wawawin. It's for the less fortunate people, mostly. This is the party place for the poor people. Why are you crying? She's crying. Small. No, she's crying. Oh, it's okay. A souvenir for you. Maybe in the camera. She's crying. Yeah? A lot of rest. Oh, thank you for being...
Na-touch po yung mga Miss Earth candidates sa ginawa po ng Wawawin. Thank you so much po.
Thank you also for being here.
Thank you so much. If the world can have more of you, it will be great here.
Thank you very much. Thank you. And girls, good luck and all the best for all of you, okay? And thank you for being here. Huh? We love you. Applause for these beautiful ladies.